How to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can transfer money from your Cash App to your Apple Pay. So this is a really quick video on how you can do that, and it's also really simple guys. There are not many steps, so let's just dive right into it. First, open up your Cash App, and after you open your Cash App you will get the option that says Cash Out. Now tap on Cash Out, and after you tap on Cash Out, just tap on Standard or Instant, and after you do that, just select the amount that you want to cash out. After you do that, you'll need to go to your Apple Wallet. Now after you're on Apple Wallet, make sure that your debit card is on your Apple Wallet. Just select your debit card and tap on Add Money, and also make sure that you select the amount and just tap on Add, and you're basically good to go. All you need to do is make the verification, and your money will get transferred. It's basically that simple guys, and that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. If you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos.